Hello everyone, my name is Mohammed Al-Jalani. The topic I have chosen to do my presentation on for Public Health 2 is the 2009 H1N1 pandemic. Background information. The virus was a unique combination of influenza virus genes never previously identified in either animals or people. Since it was very different from any other circulating H1N1 viruses, it caused more severe illnesses. It started in North America and it spread through the world, as we can see in the figure below. A total of 74 countries and territories had reported seeing the infection. SWOT analysis. Strength. It showed that influenza could be deadly, and it should be considered just like any other brutal disease. Governments provided more funds to the public health facilities and research programs to find a way to identify a virus before it emerges. Weaknesses. Brutal illnesses that led to death in many cases. The people lost trust and confidence in their governments and public health institutions that they can't medically protect the people. Opportunity. It gave an opportunity to detect different viruses that emerged afterwards. It gave an opportunity to new research programs to transpire and more educational programs to take place. Threat. Cause chronic illnesses that people still suffer from till today. Prioritize core issues. The main issue that there was no treatment for the virus, since it wasn't identified before and had its unique shape. The main causes of infection was direct exposure to pigs. It spread quickly. Around 150,000 to 500,000 people is the range of death in 74 different countries. Prioritize education. The main goal of the educational program is to utilize the old methods used to detect different viruses and, with the recent research done, develop a cure that prevents from any future incidents to take place. When we talk about alternative routes, we have to mention the health belief model, which is the personal beliefs that influence health behavior. First step to cure any type of illness is to identify the illness itself. Since it already took place, um, alternative ways were already been there. But just so if in the future it happens again, a good approach one would be to develop an injection that could identify any and multiple type of viruses. It seems to be impossible, but it's doable. With all the technology we have access to, a research paper I've included in my presentation demonstrates how an injection that attacks people viruses have been discovered, but not yet out for practice. It's still going through experiments. I think it is time to find an end to the viruses. Approach 2. Basic exercise routine that aids in increasing the immune system and relieve stress, which is harmful for the immune system and makes it vulnerable for viruses to attack the body. Recommendations. Recommendation 1. The intake of vitamins on daily basis helps the immune system fight any new virus introduced to the body, including vitamin C and D that could be coming from different sources including food and sunlight. Recommendation number 2. Practice good health habits including washing the hands regularly with alcohol, avoiding crowded areas, avoiding direct contact with street animals. Action plan. What should be done? Since the crisis took place and an action plan was done already, I'll be talking about an action plan to be followed in the future. First of all, a percentage from our tax should be invested in advanced flu research. A law should be passed by 2020 that all vaccinations should be mandatory. By 2025, vitamins capsule that boost up the immune system should be complimentary and available monthly for all the citizens. By 2029, gene testing should be implemented and people who are vulnerable and have weak immune system should be separated from the whole population till they get certain treatment to avoid getting attacked by any severe flu. And finally, my opinion. I will make sure to take vitamins on daily basis. From my personal experience, when I used to take enough vitamins in my daily diet, I've never experienced any severe type of flu. Once I stopped taking good amount of vitamins, I got invaded by a flu. So I think it's crucial to add vitamins to our diet. After that, sleeping well, staying clean, and taking flu shots when needed is a great way to protect our immune systems. I am really terrified to get flu since the flu season just started and so many people I'm surrounded with are sick with the flu. And here's a list of my citations. I hope you enjoyed my presentation. Good luck. Thank you.